What's up, guys? I'm just getting ready to cruise it over to Fishy's house. We're gonna continue the Bondo on his car. I think we're gonna do the lip today. We're gonna refill it with Bondo because half of his lip like broke a couple days ago, and he tried doing it himself, but it didn't really quite work out. So we're gonna go give him a hand, maybe just give it a little different look, fill it with Bondo, and getting one step closer to painting the car. Fishy! What's up, Fishy? I like your necklace.
Thanks.
Oh shit. Cheap ass tint. That's what happened to my Evo on the back. But that's the original one from the dealership. The back is like starting to peel off like that. That sucks.
I know. Look, you can see it right here.
Go back. Don't you have warranty?
Yeah, he said I have lifetime warranty.
Warranty? Hey, my tint's coming out, man. Fuck.
I don't have all my tint moved either. They don't know anything about cars, yeah? Wait. Yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Did this break?
I don't know.
Why did you put Bondo?
Because it was breaking. Like, yeah, I was racing. I was going at like 100 miles per hour. Oh my god, you feel that? Did you drift? Yeah, I drifted in the front wheel drive car. You should have seen my car. Alright guys, so we started on the front bumper. Fishy's sanding down whatever we're gonna Bondo. We want to get rid of this line right here, and this right here. So we're gonna we're sanding basically all this right here, and then we're gonna refill it with Bondo and make it smooth, blend in with the bumper. We went with the or he decided that he wants to do the side marker delete on the side. So we're using some kind of little mesh that the Bondo kit had it came with. Alright, so this is what the Bondo kit came with, and we're going to be using that to get rid of the collector or side marker or whatever you call it that was on the front bumper. So it's going to go right here, like that, and it's going to look like this. And then we're just going to Bondo it, make it disappear. Can I get enough of it? Where's Jose when you need him? He doesn't have a license in Bondoing. But, oh well.
Is this how you do it, Fishy?
I don't know.
Aren't you Dr. Bondo Jr.?
I'm still
Jose,
working.
is this how you do it, man?
I'm still working on my license.
Where you at, bro? We need you over here. Damn, look at those mountains, Jose.
I don't think that's how Jose does it.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
He leaves mountains, remember? He left mountains on your trunk.
Here's the thing, there's no mountains right there.
We don't need mountains there. Putting peanut butter on a sandwich. I like the tuna here. Nobody likes the tuna here. Fishy,
What?
you a cop?
I don't know the line. I am right here. You said sunlight.
I said give him some sunlight.
I am sunlight.
So that's gonna get rid of the line. So now we just gotta work on this right here.
He did it.
And this right here.
He did it.
You did it. All right, so now we're just gonna sand down the mountains on the Bondo and then see if we need some more Bondo on the cracks. What?
Full sheet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this how you do it, Jose? Fishy.
What?
I think we're just fucking up your car, man.
Why?
We ain't auto body professionals. I'm just kidding. It's gonna look good. Fishy's ordering some pizza for us. We've been sanding this thing for 2 hours.
Yeah.
So I guess we're gonna primer the bumper today and put it back on. What does it look like? We're recording. What happened to your car, bro?
How do you give it gas?
All right. God damn! Smoke them, Fishy. Get some breaking action.
Who's looking at this?
What did you say? Pizza, my favorite. And Fishy likes fish tacos.
So like I told him we should stop sanding, and he wanted to sand a little more, but hey. Man.
All right, Fishy, what are we doing today?
We're doing the fenders. Yay.
What did you do? This is the result.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Someone put too much Bondo. That's it, just go. Wow.
Yep.
Cavalier.
Oh yeah. By the way, we're doing this outside. We don't have a booth, or we're not going to auto body paint shop. So there's gonna be like hairs and all this shit stuck to it. That's how it's gonna look like. Hairball. All right, so I guess Fishy wants to do the roof too. So,
And then we'll do the doors.
he's too lazy to tape everything, so we're just gonna sand it like that. Damn. Almost looks white for a minute. Almost. Fishy, tell us about when you got pulled over.
So apparently when I was driving back home after a night of having some fish tacos, I was coming home. Well, I was coming through here, hopefully to catch you while you were going to work, so you can see the sign markers at night. And as I pull up, there's two cops pulling over some car. I turn over to the food that's over here, and I get pulled over. I thought they caught me on my phone or something because I was like listening to music. And they'd be like, "Sir, are you texting and driving?" No, I was not, sir. But anyways, apparently my LED bar from the license plate is way too bright, and they said it looks like neon.
What? So, we're gonna tint it a little bit. That way Fishy doesn't get pulled over anymore.
He says I'll get pulled over.
No, I won't.
Sir, the reason why I pulled you over is because your car looks better than my son. And that's illegal. Buy 50,000
hold on.
shit.
I want to ask Fishy a question. Fishy, you a cop?
No.
Look at Moki just chilling.
What are your guys' response back? Nobody likes it.
Tengo hambre. There you go. I'm just gonna get started. You're gonna go high when you go into work. You're gonna be high.
Guys?
Can I have just wait? Let me just tell them where you work. In case you guys didn't know where Fishy Fishy works, he works selling Fishy Fishies. No, he works at McDonald's. I won't tell you where though. You guys gotta find out by yourself. Fishy Fishy, give me a Big Mac with a large fries and a Sprite. Are you ever gonna go on NOS? You should go on the bottle, man. Fishy still has to go on the bottle. He wants to get a little system for his car. What else are you gonna do? Here it is, guys. He primered the roof. He primered the fender.
And we primered my glass.
The other fender. And he was sanding a little bit more on the front bumper, so it looks a lot cleaner now. Here it is, one step closer to finishing his project. Well, that's it for today, guys. Next week hopefully Jose can join us and we can do some more stuff to the car. We'll try to get the rest of the sanding down, and hopefully we can get the painting soon so you guys can check it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And what do you have to say?